This is for part 1. As you can see here, this is the we already filled the answer in the table, and then to that we do the K-map for part 1. Then this is the output function. After that, we construct the circuits for part 1. As you can see here, for the input, we have two inputs. We put as a switch. For this one will be the enable stepping, and then for the second one is the CW, which is to control the directions of the stepping. So for the output, we connected to the stepper module. As you can see, this is our schematic diagram for part 1. So let's try it, and then if we switch on, if we press enable and then we press CW, it will go clockwise directions. If we release the CW, it will go to anti-clockwise. Then if we release the enable, it will stop at some positions. We'll try it again. Enable, and then we press clockwise. It will CW. It will go to clockwise directions. If we release the CW, it will go to anti-clockwise directions. And we release enable, it will stop at some positions. Okay, this is for part 2A. As you can see here, this is the state diagram for the part 2A. This is the state diagram for the 3-bit LFSR. As you can see here, 0, 0, 0, it will stuck in this loop if we release the switch here, and then for this one, it keep repeating the loop from 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and then go to 0, 1, 1, and then go back to 0, 0, 1. So here we construct our circuits for part 2A. As you can see here, we set our frequency is 1 Hz, and then have one switch and 3 outputs. For this output, this is represent X2, and then this one represent X1, and then for this one represent X0. These circuits we construct to check our operations against our predictions. So let's try it out. I press the button F, and I release it. So it keep repeating the loops. 0, 1, here, 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 and go back to 0, 0, 1, and keep repeating the loops. And then I press the switch again. We want to know whether at 0, 0, 0 it will stuck in this loop or not. Then release. Yeah, it will stuck at 0, 0, 0. It will stuck here. And now we want to observe the sequence of X0 using oscilloscopes, whether the pseudo-random bit sequence appear random or not. So using the same circuits, we want to see the waveforms of the X0. As you can see, this is the waveform that we get using oscilloscopes. So it does not appear random.
Okay.
So this is for part 2B. As you can see, we want to do the 7-bit LFSR. So this is our circuit. For part 2B, we still set the frequency is 500 kilohertz. So as you can see here, this is the result that we should see for part 2B. So here, the waveform that we get for part 2B. As you can see here, there's two parts that is not random.
Okay.
Just tekan. Okay, this is for part 3. Uh, part 3 is combined with the part 2. As you can see here, this is the circuit that we construct for part 3. So we set the frequency is 500 kilohertz. So we want to see the waveform. As you can see here, this is the expected waveform. So as you can see, this is the waveform that we get.